Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen how to install the Adblock plus Adblocker software for Firefox. So that was a subscription-based service. So now we will try to install one free service for the ad blocking purpose. So you have to issue this command sudo pacman space capital S ublock. So ublock is a free service. Adblock Plus is a paid service, so it is a subscription based model, and this is the free model. So it is a free software, you can use this, you can install it. So you can see there are two packages. One is Firefox ublock origin, and the other is ublock origin. So this is a general purpose package, so you can install this ublock origin on any web browser. You can see it here, and this Firefox ublock origin is specifically designed or built for Firefox. So in my case, I am always using the Firefox, I have told you earlier. So I will going to install the Firefox ublock origin. So I have given the command sudo pacman space capital S Firefox ublock origin. So that is going to get installed. And after the installation, you can see the snapper is working. It is taking the system snapshot before the installation and after the installation. So that is also complete. And you have to just reboot, and ublock it will configure itself and will start blocking the advertisements from the moment we start the Firefox web browser first time after the installation. So immediately it starts working, and then you can whitelist certain website. For example, your banking website, you can whitelist it. So any important pop-ups from your bank, so they won't be blocked by the ublock. Similarly, if some important website, for example, if you are logging into your company website and there are some important pop-ups, so those pop-ups should not get blocked by ublock. So you can whitelist it there in the ublock. There are settings in the ublock to whitelist certain websites, so that feature you can use. So now I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more information. Bye bye.